Right. Good morning, Anel. I'm glad to have Anel Peterson on the line. They are running an accounting practice called Anovate Financial Solutions in the Malahlengi environment district. And we are grateful that we have you and your team online with us. Anel, thank you very much for that. And yeah, she is the CEO of this magnificent company in that area. And Anel, thank you. Please introduce us to your team and tell us what you do.
Thank you so much for the opportunity, Fergus, to meet with you and to tell you a bit more about our company. As you said, I'm the CEO. I like to do the vision casting, business development in our business. Then we've got Henriette, who's our partner, who does the financial management, and she's also in charge of our compliance department, making sure that everything goes into SARS on time and in order. And Stefan is our Chief Operations Officer, in charge of all the operations projects and also making sure that the clients are satisfied and the work is up to standard, that everything goes out when it should, to the standard that it should.
Fantastic, Anel. Awesome. Henriette, let me go to you then. How long have you been in business? Tell us more about that.
Yes, Anovate Financial Solutions was started in 2012. Like Anel said, she was the founder, and then myself and Henriette joined in 2015. And Stefan Cronier, he joined us now in 2020. Our business is that we are game-changing, trusted business advisor, and we help entrepreneurs to turn their businesses into legacies. We are business, and we as free business owners empower. We educate and mentor our diverse, dynamic team of young, talented business professionals, passionately contribute to our client visions. We lead them to become leaders in their field through quality information and the sound financial principles. And we honor them, our team, for contributing to our vision.
Fantastic, Henry. Thank you so much. I'd like to find out more about your ideal client. Tell me about your target audience and how would we know when somebody will be an ideal client for you?
Yes, our target audience are entrepreneurs and that are looking to build a legacy and positively impact the South African economy. Our best customers will be the clients who will take full responsibility, ownership and accountability to drive their companies and work hand in hand with us to achieve their goals set. And we empower them through accessible financial education, and we value them for choosing Anovate to serve them in their businesses and their financial journey.
Great stuff. Let me go to Stefan. Stefan, what has been the greatest impact that COVID-19 has had on your business so far? Tell me more about that.
Thank you, Fergus. Well, like most of the businesses, the greatest impact on Anovate Financial Solutions was definitely cash flow. Our client base consists mostly of small business corporations that received no or minimal income during the lockdown period. So even though we were fortunate enough to be able to work from home and still provide all financial services to our clients, some of our clients were just put in the unfortunate position by this COVID-19 pandemic and suffered severe financial difficulty.
Yeah, there's all kinds of challenges during this time, hey? And we all struggle with that question. How are we going to get around this kind of problems? Tell me, what have you taken to make a difference and how is it working?
Fergus, we took the decision to give up our offices and move to a virtual office with immediate effect. We took swift action by ensuring that our team had all the equipment and resources to continue with their duties as normal. The benefits due to these decisions were cash flow relief due to the saving of the running costs of our offices, rent, electricity, printing, etc. And we realized by making use of the virtual platforms available like Zoom, we can interact and communicate more frequently with our clients, thus ensuring they are kept up to date and informed at all times. The second action that we took was to put our clients' needs first and assist them with all applications for the COVID-19 relief funds. For example, the temporary employer-employee relief schemes, This brought immediate cash flow relief to our clients and put them in a position to be able to pay their staff and part of by their staff or their salaries. We believe by looking after our clients, especially in a time of need, this will create clients for life.
Yeah, I fully agree with that. Let me go back to Arnel. Arnel, you know, it has been said that smart people learn from their mistakes, but really wise people learn from other people's mistakes. And, let's see what mistakes have you been able to make, and what lessons did you learn from that? Please share that with our audience, and let's all benefit from that experience, please, if you don't mind.
Fergus, about 3 lessons comes to mind that is really engraved in my heart that I've learned, and that is quite fresh, some of them. So I'm a follower of Simon Sinek. I really love his work, and he teaches about people before profit, which is so very important. But however, I've made the mistake of confusing people versus profit with being nice. Sometimes being nice means nothing inside me cares enough. And sometimes the most important thing and the first point is to determine whether that team member really is a fit for your bus and is in the right seat on your bus before you can go to the methodology and the thinking of people before profit. Sometimes having a team member on your bus and on a wrong seat on the bus is damaging to your business, to your clients, and to that team member themselves, because they will meet themselves at a standard that does not necessarily fit them as individuals. Because Einstein also says, to judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, they will always feel that they are stupid. And that is a thing that comes to mind when I think of that. And then another thing that's very important for me that I've also recently learned is that the E-Myth teaches us that we need to work on our business. It's so important to work on your business. But what I've learned is that there is a time and a season to be the technician in your business. You have to be the technician and lay the correct foundation so that when you work on your business, that everything runs smoothly, your clients are served well, and your team is able and capable and know what is expected. So that's another important thing. And lastly, and most importantly, I feel that it's very necessary to fall in love with your clients and their business. You really have to know their business, care for their business, and the motive that you serve your clients with really matters.
That's so important, Arnel. Thank you very much for that. To make it easy for our client base and our listeners to get in touch with you, please share with us your cell phone number and your website and your email address so that we can all know where to get hold of you.
Thank you, Fergus. Yeah, my telephone number, you can use the landline 013-656-1131, or my cell phone number is 082-711-8091. The email address that you can use is info@anovate.co.za, and our website is www.anovate.co.za.
Great stuff, Arnel. I know that you have some other ace up your sleeve there, and you have a great webinar lying ahead. Tell us more about that.
We really look forward to our first webinar that we'll be hosting on the 20th of July. It's at 11 a.m. on Monday morning, nice and fresh. And we are going to share 9 ways for small businesses and any business for that matter to save tax after lockdown. That is a big objective for everyone after lockdown, to save money. And it's a good place to start to save on tax.
Great. I look forward to that. I will definitely be like to engage with you in terms of that. And fantastic. And tell me, what has been the most inspiring for you today so far?
And the most inspiring is taking a step out of our comfort zone. We are accountants, and we are taking a step out of our comfort zone and seeing how well the team does in every situation. I'm inspired for what lies ahead in our business.
Great stuff. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Arnel and your team, Henriette and Stefan from Anovate Financial Solutions based in Imalahleni or Witbank, Middelburg area. In Mpumalanga, we are looking forward to your webinar on the 20th of July at 11 about the the 9 ways for small and medium-sized business owners to save tax. And I'm grateful from Action Coach FergusMor to be able to host you guys this morning on this call, and we are grateful to have you as one of our panelists on the webinar on the 20th of July. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a blessed weekend.